Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And in this video, I have a big question for you. I hope you can help me because I have a problem that I don't know how to solve. And if you have a problem, there is always taught me try to ask help. So in this case, I'm asking you for help. And what I'm going to do in the video, I'm just making my journal want to put everything in that I got from my holiday. I left the Netherlands for 3.5 weeks to go on holiday in France and Spain. I just have to think little bit. I don't like the white edges on this paper, so that for that reason I always tear it apart. But we left for 3.5 weeks, and maybe you missed my videos on last week. I wasn't on holiday at that time. I was already home, but I don't know if I need to continue with this channel or not, and that's my question. The problem is, or I don't know if it's a problem, but yeah, well, for me it's a bit. Last year I started the channel, and in 1 year I got 300 subscribers, which I'm very happy with, and in this year only 60. Uh, there is That's maybe because people don't like my videos. That's of course possible, but the other thing is that YouTube changed a lot, but a lot of rules, and they like shorts more. They show shorts quicker than ordinary videos. So if you want to get new subscribers, then you need to create you accept that you need to create shorts. Have to create you have to follow their rules, and I don't know if I want that. I mean, I like what I'm doing. I like journaling. I like things doing in my being creative, creating things in my journal. Oh, this is my booklet that I take on holiday, and I write down every day what happened in during the holiday. And YouTube changed the rules. You have to create shorts because they want to deal with TikTok. And I don't mind making shorts, but I like creating longer videos as well. I like more creative things. Sorry. Longer things that you can't show in 1 minute. And I like to tell stories and to talk with you, so that's a big difference. And I don't know. I heard there are other platforms than YouTube, like Rumble and Twitter or X, that's changed the rules as well. So that's a possibility as well. But I don't know if you have any experience with that kind um, of channel, if that's good or not. Because I mean, I don't create videos for money, but it's nice if you get some, because that's of course always nice. And at this moment there are videos, advertisings placed before my videos, but I don't get a penny of it. And you need to have 1,000 subscribers before you can get some advertisement money or something like that. So that's the difficulty. And yeah, well, in that case, you don't know what to do. The other thing is, my second book is coming in the beginning of October. So I'm quite busy with that as well, for the creating of publicity, changing my website, things like that. And at that moment, I'm always thinking, shall I write a third book? But I need a story, of course. And that's sometimes it's difficult when you're on holiday. I was thinking what I'm going to do and think about everything. But I didn't think a lot. It was nice not to think and just be in the moment, enjoy what happened on holiday. And but when I came home, I before I left, I planned a lot of videos in YouTube. But when I came home, I didn't have the feeling to create again. And yeah, well, to be able to reach the standards YouTube wants from me as as a creator. So that's the difficulty where I'm dealing with. Maybe you have some suggestions for me, what I can do, what I can do, and that will help. And what did we do on holiday? Well, in the first pages, we went formally to France, and after that, this is in the Pyrenees in Spain. We went also to the beach in Spain. And what did we do on holiday? Well, not so much. We enjoyed the peacefulness, the rest, the quietness, and we ate something. We rented bikes for a moment in France, electrical bikes. I must say that's absolutely lovely. I never drove on a electric bike, but that's absolutely superb. We went on rafting in the Pyrenees. That's exciting as well. And we ate a lot and we drank a lot, things like that. Just ordinary. Be lazy, read books. And we visited Lourdes. Lourdes is the place where the Holy Virgin Maria. I don't. It's Maria as well in English. I don't know, in Lourdes. But she disappeared. No, she did not disappear. She appeared to Bernadette, and we visited that place. It was really, fascinating, interesting to see all those cultures together over there. And that was lovely. Oh my goodness. Empty space between. Well, that's not a big problem. We just glue that down with some extra glue. And so we did that. We left our house for 3.5 weeks. And yes, that was a lovely long period. And we had a lot of new places that we visited. The only old place was the beach in Spain. We went there for the fourth time already, and we know all the places to eat and things like that. That's also very nice, because then you have a good resting point in your holiday. Well, I hope that you have some suggestions for me what to do, and I hope to see you next time. Of course, I will create some other videos, but I don't know how much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.